Now, good morning, children. Now, menstruation chapter 7 chapter, exercise 7.2, the first two 5 problem. Question 1 to 5 already over. Now, sixth problem, the volumes of two cones of the same base radius are 3600 centimeter cube and 5040 centimeter cube. Find the ratio of the heights. First step, let R1 and R2 be the radius of the two cones. Am I right? Radius of the two cones. Similarly, let V1 and V2 be the volume of the cones. Am I right? Then let H1 and H2 be the heights of the cones. These are our assumptions. Now, what is given? Base radius is given, same radius is given. That is what? Given data, R1 equal to R2 is given. Am I right? The ratio is asking, ratio of the heights asking. Now I am writing volume 1 by volume 2 is equal to, what is the formula? Volume of the first cone, then volume of the second cone, right? The volume of the first one is what? What is given? V1 equal to 3600 divided by, here it is what? 5040, this is also given. Centimeter cube. Same radius in R1 R2 will be equal. The volume is equal. The ratio of H1 and H2 is asking. Am I right? The value of what is asking? Ratio of the H are asking. H1 and H2 is asking. Now start with the V1 by V2. You got what? Volume of first cone divided by volume of second cone. That is the meaning. Here what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi R1 square H1, 1 by 3 pi R2 square H2. The V1 is what? 3600. Already given. This is 5040. It will be cancelled. Am I right? Here 3600 by 5040 equal to the radius will be equal now R1 square into H1. This is also R1 square because both will be equal now. Now cancel. 0 cancel. Now H1 by H2 is equal to 360 by 504. Now divide. Which table? 2 table. Again 2 table. We get the answer 5 is 7. Am I right? 5 is 7. You want to write fourth table first. Fourth table means what? 90. Fourth table means here 1 times. Am I right? 2. Again 6. 45 by 60. Again 3 table. Am I right? 3 table. 15 times, 21 times. Again, 3 table. 5 by 7. Am I right? Attacking answer. I am remaining minimum 2 table, 4 table, 3 table. In the say I want to use. Otherwise, directly you want to cancel. They get the answer 5 by 7. Am I right? 15 by 21 equal to 5 by 7. Therefore, H1 is the H2 equal to pi is pi by now. Actually, H1 by H2 equal to pi by 7. It's like H1 is the H2 equal to the ratio of the heights are 5 is 7. This is asking. Ratio only asking. But you must use the only one formula, volume of the formula. After the cancellation, we can answer H1 by H2. That is what? H1 ratio, H2 equal to 5:7 is the answer. Read the question clearly. The same radius is given. Both radius will be equal. R1 square, R2 square. Here also R1 square. R2 equal to R1 or R1 equal to R2. Both will be cancelled. 1 by 3 will be cancelled. So H1 H2 that is the answer. Now 7th question. The ratio of radii. Radius means radius. This is called singular. Radii. That's the plural. Therefore, radii of the two spheres are the ratio 4:7. Let R1 and R2 be the radius of the spheres. Radius of two spheres. Radii of two spheres. Okay? Let V1 and V2 be the volumes of the sphere. Am I right? Now what is given? Given R1 is the R2 equal to 4 by 7 is given. Am I right? The radii R1 not radii are the ratio 4:7. This is given. This means what? R1 by R2 equal to 4 by 7. This one can. Am I right? R1 by R2 equal to 4 by 7. Now what is our name? Find the ratio of their volumes. So V1 by V2 is asking. That means what? Volume of the first sphere. What is the number? 4 by 3 by R1 cube. So 4 by 3 by R2 cube. This is the formula for volume sphere. Cancel. Okay, this can be R1 by R2 whole power 3. What is this? R1 cube by R2 cube. That's why you write R1 by R2 whole cube. Because R1 by R2 already find out 4 by 7. Okay? 4 by 7 whole cube. 4 cube is what? 4 cube is 7 cube. 4 cube is 64. 7 cube is 7 sets of 49. 7 sets of 49. 3 to 7. 6. 343. Now V1 by V2 equal to this one. Now what is asking? Volume of the ratio is asking. The volumes are in the ratio is asking now. V1 by V2 equal to V1 is V2 equal to, we can answer 64 is the 343 is the answer. What is asking? Find the ratio of their volumes. So V1 is V2 is asking. Therefore, answer 64 is 343 is the answer. Here also only we use the one time formula. This is about 2 more question. Now 8th question. A solid sphere and solid hemisphere, they have equal total surface area. That's why I want to assume R1 and R2 be the radii of the first R1 is what? Radius of sphere and solid hemisphere respectively. That means what? R1 is the radius of sphere, R2 is the radius of hemisphere. The same thing, if V1 and V2 be the volumes of sphere and hemisphere respectively. Am I right? V1 means volume of sphere. V2 means volume of the hemisphere. Prove that the ratio of their volumes V1 is V2 equal to, you want to prove this answer. Now what is given by data? The hemisphere sphere and the hemisphere have equal total surface area. So TSC of sphere equal to TSC of hemisphere will be equal is given. From the question, this is given. Formula for total surface hemisphere, total surface hemisphere is 4 pi r square. But the sphere is what? Total surface hemisphere is 3 pi r square. But here hemisphere is what? R2. Pi cancel. Right? R1 square by R2 square equal to 3 by 4. This came as R1 by R2 whole square equal to 3 by 4. We want R1 and R2. Am I right? So square will come in root of 3 by 4. So R1 by R2 equal to root 3 by 2. Am I right? From this given data, you will find the R1 and R1 by R2 value. Now what is the name? Ratio of the volumes are lost. So V1 by V2 equal to, what is the meaning? First one is volume of sphere. Here volume of hemisphere. Am I correct? Volume of what is formula? 4 by 3 pi r2. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. Here hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r2 cube. Am I correct? Pi cancel, 3 cancel. 2 also cancel. But 2 into is actually what? R1 cube by R2 cube. This can be done as 2 into R1 by R2 whole cube. Alright? 2 into R1 by R2 is what? Root 3 by 2 whole power 3. Now simplify 2 into root 3 whole power 3 means 2 root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Am I right? The one to cancel. Here root 3 into root 3 only 3 root 3 by 2 are 4. This is V1 by V2. You want to prove that the ratio of the volumes V1 is to V2 equal to 3 root 3 is to 4. This answer is given in the question itself. You want to prove this answer, answer directly coming. The answer is 100% correct because the answer is given in the question itself. Anyway, by using the given data, the total surface area will be equal. That area you will find R1 by R2. Now ratios of the volumes asking. Write the formula for V1 by V2. V1 is what? Volume of sphere. V2 is what? Volume of the hemisphere. By using the formula, after calculation, simplify, you get the answer. 3 root 3 is 4. That is the answer. Now question number 9. Refer the book. It clearly given outer and inner surface area of spherical copper cell is 576 pi and 325 pi. Outer surface area and inner surface area. Outer inner mean that is called hollow. Sphere is a hollow sphere. What is asking? Find the volume of the material is asking. Volume of the hollow sphere. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Small r cube. But r capital small are not given. In some capital or small. What is given? Outer surface area and inner surface area is given. Surface, what is the formula? 4 pi r square is the formula. Am I right? By using that formula, you will find capital R and small r. After write the formula for volume, substitute r, capital R value and small value, you get the answer. Read the question in the book. Now, our assumption is that capital R and small r be the outer and inner radius of hollow space. That's important. Am I right? Hollow space. Clear. Now, what is given? Outer surface area. Outer surface area equal to what is given now? Given, clearly given. 576 pi centimeter square is given. The outer surface area of outer surface area of sphere, hollow sphere. 4 pi r square equal to 576 pi cancel. R square equal to 576 by 4. How many times? 1 times. 4 times. Again 4 times. Of r square equal to 4 square. Correct? R equal to 12. This is capital R. By using this area, capital R, and the inner surface area, this is given, equal to, what is given? 324 pi centimeter square. Inner center column is what? 4 by small r square 324 by r square 324 by 4. How many times? 81 times. This is 9 square. Okay? Up r equal to 9 centimeter. From outer surface area, capital. From inner surface area, small r. Now what is happening? Volume of the hollow spherical cell. Spherical cell is asking. Okay? Spherical cell is asking. Is the question clearly? Find the volume of the material required to make the cell. Now what is the formula? Hollow sphere over 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Cubic is the formula. Now 4 pi into 22 by 7 into r cube 12 cube. Small is for 9 cube. Here cancel is not possible. 12 cube. 12 cube means 12 into 12 into 12. Okay? 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12. Simplify. In therefore, do the calculation. We get the answer 1728 minus 9 cube. 9 into 9 is 9. 9 is 81 into 9. 9 72. 7 to 9. Now subtract now. 4 by 3. 22 by 7 into 9. 1 means 11 9. 6 16 means 9. Am I right? 999. Now cancel 3 table. 1 time. 333. Am I right? 333. Now divide by 7. 4 into 22. 8 into 333. Again multiply. In the 4. You want to multiply 333 by 333 into 88. We get the answer 29304. Check yourself. 29304. 29304 divided by 7. Once again, in the 1, 29804 394 divided by 7. We get the answer 4186. 4186.29. Actually, this is a volume now. Centimeter cube. This answer. Am I correct? Area means centimeter square. Volume centimeter cube. Anyway, volume is asking. You know the formula. But the formula is not capital smaller. Why are you using hollow? The question, the hollow, the word is not involving. Already told you. Inner radius, outer radius, inner diameter, outer diameter, hollow. These are all the word involving me. Only based on hollow cylinder, hollow sphere in this way. But here sphere is there, that's why hollow sphere. Hollow sphere form is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube and small r cube. Capital R and small r not given. But outer surface is given, inner surface is given. From the small formula to find capital, another formula smaller, then write the volume of the sphere, volume of the hollow sphere. Substitute capital value, small value, we get the answer. Now listen here. Last question from this exercise. 10th question. Refer the book. Read the question. A container open at the top, each in the form of a prism of a cone of height 60 cm height, with the radii of its lower and upper ends are 8 cm, 20 cm. This is given. That means what? Height is 60 cm, lower R is 8 cm, upper the capital is 20 cm. Volume of the prism is the formula 1 by 3 by h capital square plus r capital small r plus r. This is the formula of prism. Now substitute the value, we get the answer involving centimeter cube. H small r capital given. Volume capacity of the prism is asking. That's why you will find the volume as usual. Now here, what is asking the last line? Find the cost of bill which can completely fill the container at the rate of 40 rupees per liter. After finding the volume, we will get centimeter cube. And the centimeter cube is converted to liter. Am I right? 1 liter of milk is what? 40 dB. You want to be what is the answer? Casa bill asking the capacity of the milk must find out. Afterwards, the centimeter cube is converted to liter. 1 liter cost is 40 is given. That's why multiply by 40 that is the answer. Am I right? Now let's this one are clearly given. Now substitute here 1 by 3 pi. Pi is what? 22 by 7. H is what? 16. Here capital square. What is square? Capital and smaller. The small half square is square. Am I right? Here multiplying 21. 22 into 16. Multiply. 16, 21, 32, 8, 32. You can answer 2, 5, 3, 22. Here 20 square 400. 160. That's 61. Am I right? Again 352 by 21 into multiply all the value 560. Am I right? 624. Am I right? 400 560 624. Again multiply by 352 into 624. In number 4, you want to multiply this answer is 73216. Now 73216 divided by 21, we get the answer 428 centimeter cube. Already I told you 104,459.28 into the centimeter cube is 1 by 1000 liters. This is our formula. Centimeter cube equal to 1 by 1000 liters is the conversion rate. Now divided by 1000, what is that? The point here no 3 zeros are there. Here will come 10.459,428, approximately 10.459 liters. This one can hold this container. That is the mean. The prism having the capacity of milk is 10 liter 459. So cost of 1 liter milk is what? Cost of 1 liter milk is equal to rupees 40 is given. Therefore, cost of 10.49 liters of milk equal to what? Rupees 40 into 10.459. Now multiply both, we get the answer. That is the mean. Cost of 1 liter milk is what it is? The cost of 10.49 liters of milk is 40 into 10.49. Just multiply 418.36. For 408 rupees, 36 paise is the answer. It is the same question, 5 mark question. This is a lengthy formula, and also the conversion is very important, and also we want to multiply. You got a 5 mark question. This section is completely over. I did all the exercise problem. Just go through the exam problem. Refer the book. Just go through all the exam problem. Today class, that's all.